This familiarization test method reveals how infants form visual object categories and what kinds of conditions most powerfully support their learning.
Using only infants' eye movements, we can measure how successfully they learn a category. Then we can directly compare that learning across a huge range of different learning conditions.
Begin by creating the visual stimuli for the experiment. To create a new continuous category, first design a pair of novel digital images. Then, morph the pair of images together to form a continuum of exemplars between the two original images. Create at least two categories in this way, so that one can serve as the category to be learned, while the other provides the novel category exemplar for the test trial. Next, select the familiarization exemplars at evenly spaced intervals from across each learned category's continuum. Select an appropriate number of exemplars and commensurate with the difficulty of the category and age of the participants. To create the exemplars for the test phase, select the midpoints of the familiar category's continuum and the novel category's continuum. Then match the color of the novel exemplar to that of the familiar exemplar using an image manipulation program. For both the labeling and non-labeling phrases, use previously recorded auditory stimuli produced by a female native English speaker in a soundproof booth. To collect adequate data for a familiarization test measure, most widely available eye trackers will suffice. The objects occupy large portions of the screen, and the data analysis